Hello mga palangga! So for today's video ay another lesson ang ating pag-aralan at ito ay ang possessive pronouns. Ano ba ang possessive pronouns? Pronouns that can also show ownership like nouns. These pronouns are called possessive pronouns. Ayan. So, ano yung mga word na nag-indicate ng possessive form ng pronouns? These are, pwede nating sabihin na my, mine, your, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs, and whose. Ayan. So, those words refer to possessive pronouns, meaning pag-aari. Ayan, so, shows possessions. Examples, mga palangga. This is my car. Ayan, this is my car. Another example, this is our dormitory. Third example, is that your bag? Ayan, so, words like my, our, and your shows possession. So, meaning there's indication of ownership. Ayan, so that's possessive pronouns, mga palangga. And kapag may natutunan, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you!